Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a playlist on YouTube Music. In order to delete a playlist on YouTube Music, first of all, launch open YouTube Music app from your device and make sure to go to the Library tab at the bottom of the screen. Inside your library, go ahead and select the playlist you want to delete. After choosing the playlist you want to delete, tap the three dots right next to the playlist and then in the pop-up at the bottom, click on Delete Playlist. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete again. And that's how you get rid of a playlist on YouTube Music. Now that your playlist is deleted, you've decluttered your music library and refined your listening experience. That's how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.